Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Abdul Majeed. I am an FATP participant from RVM Finishing School, and today I am going to present Company Profiler on MasterCard based on 2021 annual report. So we are going to start with the agenda. We are going to discuss company overview, trading profile, vision and mission, history and timeline, top management, products and services, revenue breakdown, SWOT analysis, competitors, and finishing with awards and achievements. So we are starting with the company overview. MasterCard was founded in 1966 and it is a multinational corporation. Its headquarters are in Purchase, New York. It is a pioneer of technology and has a presence in more than 210 countries. Moving on to the trading profile, it is listed on New York Stock Exchange. Its trading symbol is MA and current market price is 374 United States dollar. It is in the industries of providing commercial services. Now moving on to the mission and vision of the company. Mission of the company is to connect and power digital economy, make transactions safe and secure, and to be focused on innovation and growth. Moving on to the vision of the company. Vision of the company is to create a cashless world, make transactions secure, and to promote financial inclusion and accessibility. Moving on to the history and timeline. In 1966, a group of banks formed Interbank Card Association. In 1969, ICA was renamed to MasterCharge. In 1979, again MasterCharge was renamed to MasterCard. In 1983, MasterCard became the first payment network to feature holograms on its cards as a security feature. In 1997, MasterCard became public and was listed on New York Stock Exchange. In 2006, MasterCard launched MasterCard Worldwide that represents its global presence. In 2016, MasterCard launched MasterCard Send, which enables real-time payments to individuals and businesses. In 2020, MasterCard announced to reach net zero emissions by 2050. Moving to the top management, this is Michael Maybach. He is the current CEO of MasterCard. Bhala Ajay is the president of Cyber and Intelligence Solutions. Seth Andrea is the president of Consumer Products and Processing. Craig Vosburg is the CPO of MasterCard. Moving on to the products and services, digital payment solutions. MasterCard has developed several digital payment solutions, including MasterPass, a digital wallet that stores payment and shipping information securely, and MasterCard Send, a service that enables real-time payments to individuals and businesses. Fraud and security services. MasterCard provides fraud and security services to help protect customers' financial information and prevent unauthorized transactions. Data and analytics. MasterCard uses data and analytics to help merchants and financial institutions to make better decisions and improve their services. Loyalty programs. MasterCard offers loyalty programs to incentivize customer spending and build brand loyalty. Commercial solutions. MasterCard provides payment solutions for businesses and governments, including corporate credit cards and government prepaid cards. Now moving to the revenue breakdown, we see an increase in net revenue by 23% from financial year 2020 to 2021 due to increase in the volume of cross-dollar, cross-border and switch transactions. Net profit increased by 36% due to increase in revenue and better cost management. Retention ratio has increased by 0.05% from financial year 2020 to 2021. We see a decrease in dividend payout by 5% from financial year 2020 to 2021. Now moving on to the SWOT analysis. strengths of the company are it has a global presence and it is safe and secure. Weaknesses are its dependence on the intermediaries and market competition. Opportunities are emerging markets and collaboration with fintech firms. Threats to the company are emergence of new fintech firms and cyber attacks and hacking. Moving on to the competitors, competitors of MasterCard are Visa, American Express, and Discover. Awards and achievements. From 2019 to 2021, MasterCard received various honors including World's Most Admired Firm, Most Ethical Companies, and Most Valuable Company.